Hey, Solar King here again with a video on the 3 ways you can make your home more energy efficient in 2021. I'm glad that you're on this channel right now, and if you could, please go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you would, it'll help me out. You'll get more notifications when I drop another video. That way you can understand exactly what's going on with Solar King, the Energy King. But let's jump right back into the video on the top 3 ways to make your home more energy efficient in 2021. So for starters, right, we have the top way that I would first start off with making my home more energy efficient, which is LED light bulbs. If you don't have LED light bulbs throughout your whole home, you should definitely be looking into it right now. The LED light bulbs have came down in cost a lot. You can find a lot of them on Amazon for a very decent price. They actually reduce your electricity or consumption from the lighting portion of your utility bill by up to 75% when you actually decide to switch over. They are a little bit more expensive than your regular incandescent light bulbs, but they last about 25% longer than those light bulbs. So if you think about it over the long run and the savings that you're going to save on a monthly basis when it comes down to the LED light bulbs, it's a definitely dub on that. It's a win every single time. So don't sleep on the LED light bulbs. Definitely take that to heart. Go get you some LED light bulbs right now. Boom. Number 2 on the list for making your home more energy efficient is called Aeroseal. Aeroseal is a duct sealing process. I actually play around with my customers and I call it fix a flat for your ducting. So it kind of works in the same essence of like fix a flat for your tire, right? So imagine this. Fix a flat for your tire. You have a nail in your tire. You pump the little fix a flat air pump in there. You push the air through there, or push whatever solution that's coming out of that fix a flat tube into your tire, and it seals up that little hole, and you can pump up your tire, and boom, you're ready to go, right? Same concept for Aeroseal, in the same process in a sense. So what they do when it comes down to aerosealing or duct sealing, they're going to come to your home. They're going to seal up all your vents in your home. They're going to have one open. They're going to pump some solution into that particular one vent. It's non-toxic. It's the same stuff that they make chewing gum combined with. With that being said, right, it's gonna seal up all the little microscopic holes, because there's tons and tons of holes that you don't see. Just because you can't see them doesn't mean they're not there. And nobody really checks for this. And when you decide to aerosol your home, you can reduce your energy consumption by at least 20 to 30%. 20 to 30% is on a high end for a home that's really, really bad in usage. Now, the more common average is more around 10 to 20%, and that's fair to say. It's on their website. You can go check it out for yourself. It's pretty reliable, and again, it makes the most sense when it comes down to homes. So if you're looking to basically make your home a lot more energy efficient, looking to do an Aeroseal for your home is definitely. Well, I have actually a bonus for you guys, because most homes don't know or haven't thought to do this, but you do it to your cars all the time, right? Have you ever thought to tint the windows to your home, or maybe putting solar screens on top of them? So this is like a bonus when it comes down to like reducing the heat that comes into your home by just putting a layer of screen or a layer of tint on it. You can do it with tint. You can do the same thing for your car tint. Use car tint for your windows, or you can get solar screens that actually reduce the UV light that comes through your home by up to 90% in most cases. They can be up to like $60 per window, but depending on how many windows you have, it could be almost $1,000 to cover your whole home. Or you can just do the side where it actually gets the most sunlight at. It could be something that makes the most sense for you and economically makes the most sense for your pocketbook as well. So third but not least is solar energy. Again, solar energy is going to be the most cost effective, especially when sold the right way, and it's going to reduce your electricity usage by at least 10 to 20%, depending on which way your panels are facing, how big the system is, and what you're actually pulling off of that system. Because again, you're looking at your system being a part of your roof now, is absorbing a lot of the heat that comes off of that system, or it hits that roof. Now you're actually going to have some overproduction that produces from that system. There's a ton of things that you can actually do when it comes down to like just making sure that your home is more energy efficient. But solar is probably going to be the top one that I would choose. But not only that, the other 3 on this particular video will definitely reduce your electricity usage or energy consumption overall, and will help your home become more energy efficient. So if you have any questions or comments, or you would like to know more about how I can help you go solar and maybe even do one of these options along with the project, because you get a 26% tax credit on all of these things when you decide to go solar and do a few of these items on this list. So give me a call. I have my booking link right below in the description. If you have any other questions about this solar in general that you want me to make a video about, or if you have some other content that you want to learn something about, definitely reach out to me as soon as possible and comment on this video, and I'll definitely make the content for you as soon as possible. So give me a call, shoot me a DM, add me on social medias. It's Solar Ken,